Good morning, my all dear class 11B students. As in the previous video of this subject business studies, we have discussed internal trade and we have discussed meaning of internal trade and types of internal trade, and then we have discussed the wholesaler. Now I will going to tell you that what is the services rendered by a wholesaler, services of a wholesaler. Generally, wholesalers give the services to manufacturers, retailers, and as well as society. So first of all, let's see the services of manufacturer, services of wholesaler given to manufacturers. Here you can see facility of large scale production. Wholesaler confirms and wholesaler gives assurance to the manufacturer that he will purchase all the goods manufactured by them. So manufacturer can manufacture greater things, a lot of things, and that will be transferred to the wholesaler directly, and wholesaler will purchase them all. So large scale production will be possible with the help of wholesaler only. Bearing risk, wholesaler will assure many times to the manufacturer that if there will be any type of risk involved, he will be there to avoid the risk. He will be there to purchase all the products, and if there will be any type of risk, it will be to the wholesaler, not to the manufacturer. Financial assistance: if a manufacturer don't have enough money to produce large amount of goods, at that time wholesaler will definitely help the manufacturers with the money, with the financial tools, and manufacturers can produce a lot of goods in a single time. Expert advice: wholesaler is the person who knows the market completely, and he can give the expert advice to the manufacturer that what to produce, when to produce, and how to produce. Helpful in marketing function: wholesaler helps manufacturers to distribute the goods and in the market, and if wholesaler wants, he will also help them in the marketing facility, means how the goods will be sold to the consumers, when wholesaler will help in it. Facilitate production continuity: by giving the payment on time, wholesaler can assure manufacturer to produce the goods with a continuity, because he will assure them that I will purchase all the goods and you don't need to take any type of risk, so that manufacturer can also produce goods on a continuity basis. Storage: wholesaler helps manufacturers to in the storage of goods, means wholesaler can arrange the godowns and where the goods can be secured, can be stored. So manufacturer don't need to think or don't need to take tension about the storage of goods. Now services to the retailer: wholesaler also gives services to the retailer. First, availability of goods: wholesaler always sells goods to the retailer and whenever they want, because wholesaler has a large amount of stock, and he can send, he can deliver, he can sell anything at any time. Marketing support: wholesaler will help retailers in marketing, means wholesaler knows the nerve of marketing and he can help retailers in selecting the product, means what product is being demanded by the society or not in that practice. Grant of credit: many times wholesaler gives the money, gives the product on credit basis, and retailer will sell that product, and after selling the product, retailer can give back the money to the wholesaler. Next, specialized knowledge: wholesaler has the specialized knowledge about the market, so he can help the retailers in it. So he can help the retailer in selecting, suggesting the customers and how the goods can be sold. So wholesaler can help him a lot. Now risk sharing: wholesaler purchases in bulk, Wholesaler purchases the product in bulk from the manufacturers and sells the product to the retailers in a small lots, so that retailers can be assured that they don't need to take a lot of risk. Now let's come to the retailer. Retailer is that person who will be the middleman between wholesaler and consumer. Retailer is that person who is the middleman between wholesaler and consumer. Retailer purchases the good from the wholesaler and sells it to the consumers. Features of retailers. Retailer is last link of the distribution. First link was the wholesaler and the last link was the retailers. Because after retailer, goods directly goes to the consumers. Retailer sells the goods or services directly to the consumers. Retailer deals with a variety of products. In retail shops, you will find a lot of products in a single shop. Okay. Retailer acts as a middleman between wholesaler and customers. Retailer buys and sells in a small quantity of goods. So these are the features of retailer. Now let's directly move to the services of retailer. Services to the manufacturers and wholesalers. Retailer helps in the distribution of goods. As we all know that if we want to purchase anything, we will go to the retailer, not to the wholesaler or manufacturer, because consumer deals with retailer. Personal selling. The retailer will help the manufacturer and wholesaler in their personal sellings. Enabling large scale production. If retailer is good and can sell the product on time, manufacturer and wholesaler can do large scale production. Collecting market information. As we all know that it is the large chain of distribution and retailer is directly linked to the consumer, so he can feel the nerve of consumer and he can tell the manufacturer and wholesaler that what the consumer wants. Next, help in sales promotion. Generally, retailer helps in the sales of the product. If a customer comes to the retailer and asks about the best coconut oil, if retailer wants to help the product, he can suggest the product as his will. So it will help the sales promotion. Consumer, regular availability of goods. You can, whenever you want, you can go to the shop and purchase the goods. New products information. If there is a new product in market, the retailer will tell that to you. Convincing in buying. Retailer will help you to choose the product, to choose the best product for you, and he will convince you to buy. Wide selection. Generally, retailer keeps variety of goods from which you can select the best thing you want. After sale services. Generally, retailer gives you after sale services. Means if after the sale you feel that there is any problem in the product, you can return it to the retailer. Provide credit facility. Retailer also provides you the credit facility. This is all for today. In the next video, we will discuss this chapter further. And till then, it's my humble request from you all that study this chapter, and if you find any doubt and any difficulty, you can ask. I will be there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye bye, students.